Welcome to Magic. Unit 6, Exercise 6.1, Question 2. Solve the following equations. We are following Cambridge Coursebook IGCSE Mathematics Core and Extended. Let's start. Question 2a. 12x plus 1 equals to 7x plus 11. So we know a plus b equals to c. We can write a equals to c minus b. This plus b become right side minus b. So similar thing here is 12x, we can write minus 7x, 11 minus 1. This plus 1 become minus 1. This plus 7x become minus 7x. Now 12x minus 7x will be 5x equals to 11 minus 1 is a 10. Now we can divide both sides by 5, so x equals to 2. We can write a subnote like divide both sides by 5. So this is our answer, x equals to 2. A done. Number B. 6x plus 1 equals to 7x plus 11. So 6x minus 7x equals to 11 minus 1, right? Then minus x, 6x minus 7x is a minus x equals to 11 minus 1 is a 10. Now we can multiply or divide both sides by minus 1. So x equals to minus 10. We can write multiply both sides by minus 1. So minus 1 and minus 1 time it will become plus. So minus x and minus 1, once we make multiply, it will become x, and 10 times minus 1 will be minus 10. So minus 10 is our answer. Number C. Here is 6y plus 1. 6y plus 1 equals to 3y minus 8, right? Now look, 6y, this plus 3y become minus 3y equals to minus 8. This plus 1 become minus 1. So 6y minus 3y will be 3y, right? 6 minus 3 is a 3, so 3y equals to minus 8 minus 1 become minus 9. Now we can divide both sides by 3, so y equals to minus 3. We can write divide both sides by minus or plus, so no need sign. So divide both sides by 3. So A, B, C done. Number D. We can write in here. So 11x plus 1 equals to 12 minus 4x. So this one, first 11x, this minus 4x become plus 4x equals to 12. This plus 1 become minus 1. So 11x plus 4x will be 15x equals to, this 12 minus 1 become 11. So x is a variable and 15 is a coefficient of x. So we cannot keep this one, we need to isolate this one. So we will divide both sides by 15. So 15x by 15 equals to 11 by 15. It means we are dividing both sides by 15. So this 15 and this 15 out. Our result x equals to 11 by 15. This is our answer. A, B, C, D done. This video we also try to solve number 3. Here is also 6 math. So now number E. A, B, C, D. Number E of 2, right? So 8 minus 8p equals to 9 minus 9p. So this one, here is minus 8p and this minus 9p become plus 9p equals to 9 and this 8 become minus 8. So minus 8p plus 9p is a p equals to 9 minus 8 is a 1, and this is our answer. Okay. Number F. 1 by 2x minus 7 equals to 1 by 4x plus 8. So first 1 by 2x minus 1 by 4x equals to 8, and this minus 7 become plus 7. Now here we can make a LCM. So 4, here is 2x minus x equals to 8 plus 7 is a 15. Now 2x minus x equals to x, divide 4 equals to 15. Now we can multiply both sides by 4. So x equals to 4 times 15. It means 60. 60 is our answer. 4 times 15 is a 60. So x equals to 60. Answer. So number F, it means question 2 done. Now we will start question 3, where is also mentioned solve the following equation. 3a. 4 times x plus 1 equals to 12. So first we have to expand this bracket. So we can write 4x plus 4 equals to 12. Then 4x equals to 12. This plus 4 become minus 4. So 4x equals to 12 minus 4 is 8. Now we can divide both sides by 4. It means 4x by 4 equals to 8 by 4. So our answer is 4 divided 4 is a 1. So here is x. 8 divided 4 is a 2. So x equals to 2. This is our answer. 3a. 3b. 2 times 2p plus 1 equals to 14. So we should expand this one. So 2 times 2 is a 4. 4p plus 2 equals to 14. Then 4p equals to 14, and here plus 2 become minus 2. So 4p equals to 12. Now we can divide both sides by 4. So 4p by 4 equals to 12 by 4. So p equals to 12 by 4 means 3. So p equals to 3. This is our answer. So 2b, 3b and 3 and 3b done. Now we will start C. 3c. 8 times 3t plus 2 equals to 40. So first 8 times 3 is a 24. So 24t plus 8 times 2 is a 16 equals to 40. Then 24t equals to 40 minus 16. Then 24t equals to, here is what, 24, right? 40 minus 16 is a 24. Now we will divide both sides by 24, so at equals to 1. If you want, you can write a side note. It will be good practice. It means divide both side by 24. Okay, so number C done. Then D, 5 times m minus 2 equals to 15. So this one we can do two way. First expand this one, then we can simplify, or we can divide both sides by 5. So 5 will be out, and 15 divided 5 is a 3. So we can write 5 m minus 2 equals to 3, and here we can write divide both sides by 5, right? So m equals to, here is 3, and this minus 2 become plus 2, so m equals to 5. Here is also we can do similar thing. We can divide both sides by 8, and in this case our result will be same. So number D done. Number E, 3E, minus 5 times n minus 6 equals to minus 20. So first we can divide both sides by minus 5. It means minus 5 n times n minus 6 divide minus 5 equals to minus 20 divide minus 5. So each math I am trying to show you different way, so you can choose which one is comfortable for you. So here minus 5 and minus 5 we can divide, and here minus 20 divide minus 5 will be 4. So we can write n minus 6 equals to 4. So n equals to 4, this minus 6 become plus 6, so n equals to 4 plus 6 is a 10. This is our answer. And today's last question, which is number F of 3. So minus 2 times x plus 2 equals to 4x plus 9. Now this one we can segregate different way. Look, here is minus 2 and here is times x plus 2. We can expand this one, so we can write minus 2x minus plus will become minus, so minus 4 equals to, here is 4x plus 9, then minus 2x minus 4x equals to 9. This minus 4 become plus 4, right? Then here is minus 2x and minus 4x will be minus 6x equals to 9 plus 4 is a 13. Now we can divide both sides by minus 6, so x equals to minus 13 by 6. 13 by 6 is an improper fraction. We can write minus, and we can convert to mixed fraction, so it will be 2 1 by 6. So x equals to minus 2 1 by 6. This is our answer. So no more today. We are trying to lots of math in this video based on equation. We are following Cambridge course book IGCSE Mathematics Core and Extended, and we are in Unit 6 exercise 6.1. Last video we was solving question 1, and this video we are trying to solve 2 and 3. Next video we will start from question 4. So please subscribe my channel. This is Math Jeep. You will get lots of things from here. And if you think this video is helping you and this channel you will get something by this channel, please share with your friends. Thank you.